friends, welcome in. I'm AngieResells, in case you're new here. Today I want to talk to you about sourcing. Now, I personally cannot stand to buy stuff at the thrift store. I just don't find great deals, and so I love finding alternative ways to find some inventory, things that you can do as well as me. And I love sharing them with you because I also want to hear your ideas of great places to source. Now, that doesn't mean we're always going to hit super home runs on everything, but if I have something, I want to show you and see what I picked up. Would love to hear if you hit this one as well. So earlier this week, I found out on Wednesday that JCPenney's was having their pink tag $3 sale. I was like, yes, until I realized that it had started on Monday. Ugh. That kills me because I need to find a better source of finding out when these sales happen. So if anyone has a good suggestion, I would love to know. So I did sign up for a couple Facebook groups that they advertised it on the day that it started. Most everyone talked about it the second day. I want to be in the groups that know when it's happening in advance or like right when it's happening so that I can get there early. So unfortunately, this was day 3, so I wasn't having great expectations. JCPenney's evidently does this a couple times a year. I remember they did it in October. I found a few things, but I wasn't really super sourcing at that time. I did look around a lot. The key that I found with this sale for the $3 sale is by the time I was there, everything was picked over that actually had a pink tag on it. However, there were some blue tags that evidently the staff missed that they should have been marked down to pink tags, and they weren't, but they were $3 items. So I did find some decent things I want to show you. The thing that aggravated me the most, though, was they had purple tags. Purple tags were ones that were before, before Halloween. I know because I remember seeing these items when I went to the sale in October. Unfortunately, they're so old now that they're actually, even though they have a clearance price of like 50 or 60% off, they're now ringing up at the full price because they're like, or they're not coming up at all. They're not in the inventory at all. So they don't want to sell them to you. There were so many purple tag items. I'm like, you should have let that be in the clearance too, but they didn't. So, okay, let's go ahead and see what I got. Hot tea, thank goodness. Okay. Last time I went, I got great shoes that were marked the wrong color. Again, I was a day late for that. I got 2 pairs of shoes. They're not my favorite, but for $3, I figure it's worth flipping. These are East 5th, and look at these. I figure someone will love them for springtime. They may have the perfect little white dress or something, but they want to have some color. The original price on these was $60. Now I never expect anything at Penny's to be like the full price. They say a price and everything's always on sale, but for $3, kind of cute. I did get one other pair of shoes. These are A&A, which is a new approach. These are like the jelly shoes. You can see they're like kind of like jelly shoes. I don't know what size they are, but they were, 11. They say they were $50. Now these ones actually had a pink tag on them, so they were marked down to $3. I was actually surprised that they had some jeans that were plus size. These are 22 women's high-waisted straight leg jeans. Got these really nice jeans. I do well with plus size clothes. So happy to get these for $3. Then I got size 20. Now these ones are dark wash, and you can see right here, this is what the pink tags look like, just like that. And as long as they had the pink tags, they were $3. So here's another pair, A&A, both of these pairs. So I'll do decent on those. Those are not like home runs or anything, but to give you an idea. Then we also got a size 22 dark wash. So a 20 dark wash, 22 dark wash, and then a 22 mid wash. One of the things that I got, which was a great deal, is these Fruit of the Loom t-shirts. And you could see on there the clearance price was $20.99, which was 40% off. They're both size smalls, but you can see they're blue tags, not pink tags. But when we rang them up on their app, it was $3. Now, when you go to these sales, I highly, highly recommend that if you're in a store that has an app, download the app and use it, because then you can literally, it said check prices. So we could just bink, bink, bink and go around and check a bunch of these items that might not have normally been, you would have not thought that they were on the sale, but they were. Okay. The other thing, like similar to that, were these. These are Stafford knit boxers. Price on them, you could see $23.99. Got these for $3. So good items to flip. Then I did get 2 of these. I didn't even comp them because I'm like, all right, they're cute toys. I paid $3 a piece for the little Wish toys. Now these ones did have pink tags. They were 60% off at $10. Then they got marked down to $3. So that means they originally wanted like $25 for these. And then I got 2 more items. This I had to get. Now, I didn't go through all of the clothes just because I'm not a big fan necessarily. Not like that they're bad, but I don't find that most of the Pennies items have great resale value. And they didn't really have any plus size except for those jeans in this sale. And so I didn't look at a whole lot of clothes. But when I saw this, in a 5X, I had to grab it. Someone is going to love wearing this, and I stand by this motto. So I love it. I thought it was super cute, and it was $3. Now, the best item that I got for the whole day is actually something that I'm not even going to sell, and I will explain why. This is something that I just saw. It had no tag on it at all. The original price was like $129, and that's this, a purple suit. And it's called Oppa Suit. Now this is the same company that does all these fun suits with a print. It was, like $100 and some, and I scanned it. And it came up $3. I am not selling this, however, because Joe, if you've ever watched I'd Flip That and their game show, I think Joe was going to look perfect in a purple suit. Now it says purple prints, and he said, but Angie, the Joker is also purple. So he is going to be the Joker with this awesome suit. I hope it fits him, but I'll be taking it with me to the Nashville meetup. By the way, if you don't know about that, the Nashville meetup is April 27th through 29th. I'm going to be there. Kristen, Aurora Squirrel, Paul, Philly Flipper, Ray, obviously Nashville Flipper, SSK Promo, the consignment chat ladies. So many people are going to be there. And if you are interested, we have a Facebook group. I hope you will join us. Free to come. Free. It's just going to be tons of fun. Definitely, I will put the link below in case you want to just get more information. But it's the only meetup that I know of that is free, and it's going to be a pretty good event. So I hope that you can join us, or at least look into it. And if you're in the Nashville area, make sure you come and join us. I did want to show you one other thing that Trish, Nana Tink, sent me, and I just was like so happy. I wanted to buy this on her auction, and then she never invoiced me, and I didn't think anything of it. And then she just sent it to me as a gift. Well, first of all, she gave me a bookmark, which I love, by the way, because I always have a book and I hate dog earing the pages, but she put her little stamp on it. It says Nana Tink. But if you know, you know, I have a dachshund, long-haired dachshund named Oliver. He is like my baby. And look what she sent me. Are these not the cutest things you ever saw? I love these. Trish has a great channel, and she does auctions on her channel. I will link her below because that was just so sweet. And thank you, Trish, and I will send her a message as well. I love getting like little things from viewers and from friends, and that just made my day completely. So that was just one idea of pennies. Finding out when stores are having clearance sales. Now, I will tell you, one of my favorites is coming up on January 27th. Here's a little inside scoop. Ross has their sale they call it the 49-cent sale. Now, that doesn't mean everything's 49 cents, but things start at 49 cents. There's a lot of things for $2.49, $2.99, but great deals on clearance. You definitely want to be there when they open because that's when you'll snag the best deals. So that's my little tidbit for you. I have little times throughout the year that a lot of places do it. But if you have the secret, if you have the in, put that down below. We want to know. Give us some like inside scoop for your fellow resellers and your friends. We want to know when the sales are happening or when you found a great sale. Like I love to go to Hobby Lobby. I happened in one time when they had 90% off fall. Oh my gosh, it was so awesome. But I would love to know where people are finding these deals in advance so we can all share in that and be a part of it. There's plenty to go around, y'all. Like we live in a world of abundance, so there is no limits of stuff for everyone. So don't be afraid to share with your friends and let them know when you find good deals and when they're like deals are coming up, because we're all just trying to like make a living here or make some extra money and make our lives better. So I hope that's what you're doing today. I hope you are having a blessed day. Thank you so much for being here and watching my little my little antics about JC Penney's of all places. And we'll see you next time. Bye.